Jim DeSimone. Jim, let me start with you here. In your opinion, the witnesses that have been called by the state so far, what has been clearly established in your mind, and what does the state need to do more of, or maybe that they haven't done as we wait to go live today?
Well, I think they've pounded home that this use of force was unreasonable, objectively unreasonable. So there's a question whether they've called too many witnesses on that point. So I really think that what needs to be moved into as far as what is proved is the cause of death here. And that's where we're going to hear the medical examiner and other medical experts to prove that it was the knee on the neck and the lack of oxygen that killed George Floyd. I think the judge may be tying their hands a little bit. There was a motion that this testimony would be cumulative. So while Ryerson may have been prepared to come in and say that this use of force was objectively unreasonable, his testimony was limited really to analyzing the timing on the videos, which was key because it showed that in his investigation that George Floyd stopped moving 4 minutes in, and that, or for 4 minutes of time, you don't have him conscious at all. And I think another important point is Eric Nelson trying to mislead the jury? There's two knees, the left knee on the neck, the right knee on the back. And when he's showing those photographs that show that the knee is on the back, is it obscuring that left knee, which is still on the neck? Credibility is everything as an attorney. And if it can be proved that Nelson is misleading the jury, that may act to Chauvin's detriment.
Yeah, he's asked some of the witnesses whether or not it's one point in this video that Chauvin's knee is on the shoulder, which could be true, except it was only for a few short moments when you look at the entirety of that time. Now, Julie, what about the defense? Have there been any points over the past few days with these experts where you say, you know what, maybe